And halfway, or a little bit over halfway, between Yuma and Quartzsite, come along this little place here. Don't really know the history behind it. Looks like it's been closed down a while, but it's a nice little stop. Take a break, get out and stretch your legs. A couple of flags on top of the hill. Just a nice little place to pull off here. Have, I believe, some people camping over there. Camping off there. Must have been a gas station at one time. They pretty much have it all fenced off now. Not a lot you can see. No signs or anything else. I have no idea what that is. Just kind of an abandoned stop along the road. We'll get back into this nice motorhome here and keep on going to Quartzsite, Arizona. Good morning, everybody. It's a brisk morning here, a little nippy. We're in La Posa South, outside of Quartzsite, Arizona. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day out. Lots of sunshine. Just thought I'd give you a little view of this place. This is one of the long-term visitor areas in the Quartzsite area. Fairly decent for sitting in the middle of the desert, but it does get warm through the day. A lot of campers here. Okay, we're just leaving La Posa South here. It's a dirt road here for a ways, and then we'll get on the blacktop, but we're going to run up to La Posa West to get us closer to the actual town of Quartzsite. So these are all part of the LTVAs down here. Pretty dusty back in this area. Pretty bumpy ride till we get on the blacktop. You'll notice there's quite a selection of campers here. Everything from large Class A motorhomes to tents and cars and vans and camping and utility trailers. There's quite the collection here. This is part of the long-term visitor area. It costs $180 for 7 months. They can come in, I believe, September 15th, and they have to be out by April 15th. People come in here, set up camp, and spend the full 7 months here. Some spend 6 months. Some like us, we're only here for a couple of days till we're headed off to Phoenix. It's just a combination of things here. It's quite the place. Coming up now here on the water stations, and here's the line for the dump stations. The trash is on the right here, the big receptacles. The $180 is not a bad deal at all, but it's desert camping. I've really met a bunch of nice people out in these areas from all over the western United States and the central United States, just one or two from the eastern part of the country. Everybody so far has been nice to talk to. Okay, we're headed up 95. Going to get to the next LTVA here, which I believe is the La Posa West. We should be there in a couple of minutes, a mile or so. Hopefully we can find a spot there because it does put us closer to Quartzsite, and we can just e-bike into town. Kind of barren in the lower end. We'll see when we get to the top end here. I don't know if you can pick it out there off to the little bit to the left. There's the big tent where they had the RV show. We decided not to come up into it this year. We heard it was really crowded. Okay, we're just pulling into La Posa West here. Going to check and see if we can find a spot, set up camp. Be here a couple of days. We'll get back to you here in a second. And we're leaving Quartzsite, starting the trek back east. Today's stop, we get there, will be Phoenix. Spend a few days there. Probably Sunday or Monday, we'll be pulling out of there and heading east again. Really nice. A couple of days we were here in Quartzsite. Now we'll check back in with you later. Bye for now. Phoenix at rush hour. Not too awful bad here. Probably be backing up just as I say that, like the other side is. We'll see.